What we have for sale on eBay today is a very nice Berkel 180D automatic meat and cheese slicer stacker. As you can see, it's in excellent condition. It's a one-owner machine. It came out of a pizza shop that actually just used it to slice cheese. They bought it new, and it's coming from them directly to you. It's coming from the original owner, so that's always a good thing. We go through these units, we make sure they're in great condition, we refurbish them, and we also take them to a food service equipment dealer and have them gone through. This place has been in the business for about 40 years doing these machines, so they're very reputable and they know these machines very well. So they go through and they service the machine, grease it, and go through and replace any parts the machine needs to make sure it's going to run for a long time and give you great service. What we have right here is an invoice, and I'm going to show you that, of the work we did to the machine during the refurb. We put new feet on the bottom. It comes with a stainless steel stand and a new lubricator. It's $136 just for lubricator up there, plastic lubricator. New fabric guides, feed nut, panel springs. So we put $735.17 in parts and labor in the machine after we started the refurb. So we just make sure these machines are in great condition and ready to go. And we have a cleaning service also that goes through them before we refurbish them and cleans out the gears and cleans everything very well. This particular 180D has the long feed tray, which is always a great thing because it you can do the large roast beef, you can put a large piece of roast beef, a large ham, large slabs of bacon. You can put the full bricks of cheese. You don't have to cut them in half before you slice them. You can put the full bricks of cheese on the long feed tray. This does come with all the trays. It comes with, again, with the stainless steel stand and new feet. It comes with the sharpener. Blades all sharpened, ready to go also. It plugs into 110. We have it plugged into 110, so you can plug it in anywhere. What we're going to do now is we're going to show you, go through the slicing and stacking and show you how smoothly and quietly the machine runs and take a walk around it. You set your slices, your width here for the slices, and then over here you set your, that's a setting for your number of slices. And how it works is your tray, you pull your tray up when you start, you set this, and this is the first of two switches. Your other switch is off as a double start. You pull this one up first because when the meat goes down, this will automatically drop down slowly with each slice and stack until you get to the amount of slices you've set it to, and then it hits that switch and automatically shuts the machine off. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to start it up. We have that switch up, we have your table up. Over here is your red light is on, and we're going to turn it on. And we're going to watch it go through its process. As you can see the table, as it brings the meat around or the cheese, it slices it and stacks it very neatly. These things work great. On the tray, and then the tray, you'll see the tray dropping down, and when it gets down to the number of slices you've set here, you'll see it automatically shuts the machine off. Very efficient. Now what we'll do is we'll start it all over again, and you can see the tray move back and forth also and go around the machine a little. We'll pull this back up, turn the main switch off, turn this on so it's ready to slice and stack again. And we'll turn it on again and go around the machine. You can see the slicing stacking mechanism work. You can see the large tray go and the blade turning. Here's your pusher that slowly moves up and pushes your meat. This holds the meat in place. Yeah. There, completed it, went down to the end. As you can see a close up on the blade there, you can see that we've, during the service, it's been sharp. Got a really sharp razor blade finish on it. And we'll look at it a little bit here. You can see everything's in great shape. We make sure all the gears and the cam and everything's in working condition. And we'll go underneath the machine and you can see the gears. We even clean. A lot of times you'll find these machines and they'll be in bad condition. We go all through the gears and we clean the gears and it's all greased And you can see all the mechanisms are in great shape. Down in here, the springs. And back here, your mechanism. Here's the new grease holder there, automatic grease holder. And you look down in here and all your springs are all gone over. And down in here, all your grease fittings and all greased and serviced. Great shape. Again, it comes with a stainless steel stand. The stand looks like it's in almost new condition, with new feet. And very, very nice refurbished Berkel 180D automatic meat and cheese slicer stacker. As always, I offer free palletizing, crating, and shipping to the buyer within the continental U.S. If there are any questions, my name is Kevin. My number is 724-516-1142.